how to create your account in Payoneer. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So first of all, you have to open up your Google Chrome or any browser that you use. After that, in the search bar, you have to tap and search for Payoneer. After searching for it, you'll be able to see this interface. So you have to simply tap on Payoneer. After that, you'll be able to see this interface where there is sign up and earn $25. So in order to create an account, you have to simply tap on sign up and earn. And by doing that, you have to select your job. For example, if you are a freelancer or SMV, then you can simply select for it. If you are online seller or anything, you can simply click on it. After that, you'll be able to see the right account for you is freelancer, agency or service provider. So you have to register over here. For registering, you have to simply tap on register option. After tapping on it, you'll be able to see this interface. So you have to fill up your name over here. So if you are individually doing any work, then you can simply select the individual. If you are doing a job in a company, then you can simply click on the company option, and from here you have to enter your informations. So here you have to clear the 4 steps of the verification, and by doing that, you'll be able to create your Payoneer account. Be informed that you must be more than 18 years in order to create your account, and after doing that, you can use it for transactions or receiving payments. So by following this simple step, you can create a Payoneer account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.